first video of the 2023. さあ皆さん、2023年明けました。1回目はここバンコクからお届けします。僕の友人のマックです。 We are going to shooting gun. さあ今年も景気よくぶっ放しましょうってことで、1回目は射撃に行ってきます。 Let's go マック。Alright. 朝の9時から夕方の6時までやっています。Is anyone wants to shoot have a gun? Do we need some license or no need to?
No need.
No need to. Okay. Hey. Good. I saw you on the IG. I'm YUICHI.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice meeting you. And I shoot my YouTube also. Do you mind?
No, not at all. Feel free to do so. I'll meet you guys up in front for you guys to select the guns. I'm just gonna go grab my gear.
Okay, sure.
Practice, so.
Alright.
I'll see you in like 5 minutes.
Alright. He looks a real army. Is he?
You know, army.
So any guns I can choose? Oh, looks so cool. I used to have this gun but as a toy.
Oh.
これにします。That I paid over there, it's include rifle, ammo, which is 100 times shooting, and with this price, right?
Yes.
ライフルと弾100発で1800バーツですね。日本円にして約7000円ぐらい。
I didn't really catch your name. What's your name again?
YUICHI.
YUICHI.
Yeah.
Japanese?
Yeah, I am. Funny.
Dude, I always want to go to Japan.
Come visit, man. I'll take you around. But without guns, no?
It's better that way. Right. So you see all the metal targets in front of you? You can shoot all of them.
これが弾100発。
Let's start with the first one. First one is always check that your gun is not loaded. No magazine inside. No rounds in the chamber. If you want to leave it on the table or pick it up, just make sure it's not loaded yet. Second is please refrain from putting your finger on the trigger if you're not ready to shoot. So you're placed up and everything is ready to fire, and then you can place it in, just for safety reason.
Okay.
Not at the ceiling, not at the people. You pointed at me, I wouldn't say anything. You pointed at him, he might freak out. So
okay.
It's a different story, you know? So 4 basic ground rules, that's it. Just alright, so let's start. You're left-handed or right-handed?
Right.
Right-handed. So can you bring out your right hand? Yeah, measure it. So the ideal length of the stock should be as long as your forearm. So this should be good. This is alright. We'll start with the stance first. Have you ever been in a race with your friends? You know, just
Yeah.
you know that stance where you're gonna push yourself out and lean onto the gun. So if you wanted to zoom, with this piece on top should help you zoom in and out.
Okay.
To operate it, to load the ammo into the gun, you'll have to pull this lever all the way and then release. Ammo should go in and then safety switch off and then you can shoot. So I'll teach you how to load the magazine. May I?
Sure.
This one goes up to 10 rounds. Put the end of the round into the groove first and then slide it inwards. Just like that, and then repeat the process. Slide it inwards.
Okay.
This is for you too. In case. So .22, the one we're shooting, it doesn't really make that much sound. You can wear ear protection if you want. If you don't want to,
Okay, I want to hear the real sounds first.
So load it up. Good. All the way. Release. Good. Now it's loaded. Let's see. Oh, you already took the switch off.
Okay.
So now the gun's ready to shoot.
Yep.
Whenever you're ready.
So any target I can shoot, right?
You can try the human targets. You can try the bowling pins.
Okay.
Or the animal over there a bit harder because they're really
that's
small.
quite small. Yeah.
But try.
Let me. Yeah.
Make your way from like the big ones and then all the way down to the small ones.
Okay. The human. Hit. Okay, let me try the small.
Hit. Good. That's a miss.
What?
And empty. Not hard, right? It's such an easy gun to shoot.
Quite fun.
Yeah, it's mostly used for small animal hunting, like squirrels, birds. Yep, hit. Hit. Ooh. Hit. Oh, it's going under.
Under?
Yeah, so try aiming a little bit higher. There we go. Good.
Okay.
Nice. Easy, right?
Yeah, get used to. Wow.
So this is the Glock 34. So left hand is the support hand. You'll squeeze onto your right hand. But right hand is where you relax a little bit. Just hold it tight. Okay. So finger on the trigger. Now slowly apply pressure. You feel it gets tighter and tighter. You feel the wall, right?
Yeah, I can feel the wall.
So rest it there a little bit, and when you're ready to fire, slowly pull. It will go off by itself. And then pull it. Yeah, go for it. Good. That's a nice trigger pull. You want to try it out? Do you think you can hit it from here?
Let me try.
Yeah, dude, I'm sure you can do it.
Is the safety off already?
So this one has no safety, but right now the ammo is not lodged into the barrel yet. So to lodge it up, you see this piece here? Flip it down, and then the ammo would go into the chamber. There we go. Now the gun is ready to shoot. So let's start with the grip. Make sure you're aligned with the target. So you can use both of them. Like you can use the left one or the right one, whichever you feel like it.
I shoot right one.
Whenever you're ready, go for it.
Yep, ready.
Hit. Good. That's a hit. There's one more shot. Hit. Good.
では最後のミッション。あそこに置いてある2つを当ててみます。弾は2つだけです。2発。
One more. Perfect.
Yeah!
Yes, sir.
当たった。Thanks, Simon.
Hey, thank you for coming today.
Happy New Year. 僕が今日撃ったこの銃弾でも人を殺す力、殺傷能力は十分あるということなんで、怖いね、拳銃っていうのは。Alright, Mac. Thank you for bringing me here today. It was so a good experience for me. And then I think I'm become one of the fan of the shooting guns now. Was not bad my shooting, right? It's good, more than that I expected actually. 皆さんご視聴ありがとうございました。また今年もよろしくお願いします。それではさよなら。サワディーカップ。